Imagine this, yeah, that you have called your installer has installed your solar system, and then you start looking at the battery. The battery is charging, your installer tells you, oh yes, see, everything is charging and working very well, yeah. And then you wait the next day, and then you go again and look at your battery meter, and then it is still counting and counting and counting. And then it started in the morning, and then in the evening still counting and counting and counting. It never fills up. Yeah, if you're having that problem, yeah, the root cause, the main root cause of it is that you have not sized your panels correctly. You're not using the correct number of panels. That is why you're having that problem. And what happens there is that your battery will never fill up, and your battery will run out prematurely. Yeah, that is the problem. A lot of people have this problem, and that is what we are going to be addressing in this video. Yeah. Right, so welcome to video 2.4, and here we're going to be finding out how many panels would the client that this installer installed the 3 kilowatt solar generator for, the exact total number of panels that they would need to fully charge their battery every single day. Yeah, like always, I always like to recommend the half cell monocrystalline solar panels because currently it is the latest technology, and it is the best because it is a solution to shading problem. Yeah, even if there's a little bit of shading casted on one part of this panel will still be producing voltage. That is why it is the best in the market now. It's called half cell monocrystalline solar panels. Yeah, so that is what I always recommend, and that is what we're going to be using in this calculation. So the objective is to find out the total number of panels that this 3 kilowatt inverter system that the installer installed for the client, the exact number of panels that we're going to need for it to function 100%. Yeah. So again, disclaimer, you can pause and go through. Quick introduction of myself, pause and go through. And then let's get right into it. Yeah. So we are going to be sizing this panel using the daily energy need for the client. And in this case, it was 9,300 watt hour. Yeah, that we calculated from all the loads, the 2 refrigerators, the blender, the fan, the television set, and then you have your lighting points, your 20 lighting points. So the total load from that daily energy need from that was 9,300 watt hour. Yeah. So now, meaning that what we are going to be needing the panel to produce, you multiply that 9,300 with a factor that will give us 12,090 watt hour. So that is what we require from the panels every single day. Yeah. So all you just have to do is divide that by the number of peak hours for the area that you're living in. And since it is in Africa, yeah, it's usually 4 hours, and then we get 3,022.5 watts, and this is the total wattage that we'll be needing. This is the total wattage that we'll be needing from all the panels producing power at the same time. Yeah, so the total number of panels that we would then need would be, since we are selecting a 530 watt panel, is a 530 watt panel at 24 volts. Yeah, remember the system voltage is 24. That is why we are selecting a 530 watts. It depends on the panel you select, depends on what you have in the market. Yeah, in the market that is close to me, what is very common is 530 watts. Yeah, panel. Yeah, make sure that the one you're selecting is a 24 volts one. Yeah, and what you then do is just divide the total energy need from all the panels together by the power of 1, and that gave us 5.7, and there's nothing like 5.7 panel, so we approximate to the next higher number, which is 6 PV panels. So we'll be needing a 6 PV panel at 24 volts, yeah, at 530 watt power rating. So this, we just need 6 panels, PV panels at 530 watts. Yeah, that is all we need to power all these loads, yeah, and charge the battery fully during the day. Yeah, and then you have enough battery power to use all through the night. Yeah, so pretty simple, pretty straightforward, and there you have it. So the client, I don't know the number of panels that the installer installed for the client, but they would actually need 6 530 watts PV panels, and they have to make sure that it's a 24 volts one. Yeah. All right, that brings us to the end of this video. If it has inspired you, if it has informed you, please do like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for watching. Next up will be what amount of batteries do we actually need to power all the loads that this client has. And that is coming up next in video 2.5. So thank you and see you on the next one.